Airthereal Revive R800 Smart Kitchen Composter. Clean kitchen. Looking for an eco-friendly way to cut food waste without the mess or smell? Meet the Airthereal Revive R800 Smart Kitchen Composter, the Wi-Fi connected solution that turns your scraps into soil in just hours. Tossing food scraps into the bin. Banana, peels, eggshells, veggie ends. This compact machine reduces food waste by up to 90%, is totally odorless, and even tracks your carbon savings from your phone. 90% waste reduction odor-free. Close-ups of the lid opening, display buttons, Wi-Fi icon, app view. So what makes the R800 different from other composters? Wi-Fi connected. Control and amp. Monitor compost cycles via the Airthereal app. Odorless operation. Built-in carbon filter keeps your kitchen fresh. 3 smart modes. Choose from drying, grinding, or full compost for flexibility. Self-cleaning. Just press a button and it cleans itself. Seriously. Screen recording of app interface. Tracking cycles. Checking carbon footprint. Through the app, you can monitor composting status in real time and even see your reduced carbon footprint. It's like Fitbit, but for your trash. Live test. Running a compost cycle with real scraps, lid closes, time-lapse of cycle. We loaded it up with last night's leftovers, and after just a few hours, this is the result. Cut to dark, crumbly compost in the bin. Dry, odorless, and garden-ready. Why it matters. Americans waste over 30% of their food. The R800 lets you turn waste into something useful and track your environmental impact while doing it. Final verdict. If you want a smart, simple, and mess-free composting solution, the Airthereal Revive R800 is one of the best options out there. Link in the description to check it out. And help the planet, one banana peel at a time. Compost being added to potted herbs indoors. Like the video if you're into eco-living.